Welcome, nature lovers, to our exciting adventure on wheels as we embark on a quest to find the elusive Pawpaw fruit along the beautiful C&O Canal. We have been told they taste like banana custards. We have not tried them ourselves, so we are anxious to find them. So hop on your bike and let's go Pawpaw picking! I think we see one. Woohoo! Let's see if we can get it. It's super high up. We have come prepared. We've got our fruit picker with us, our 10-foot fruit picker, like everybody should have when they're riding their bike.
Oh no, I forgot to bring my fruit picker this time.
You don't have a fruit picker. How to identify a pawpaw. It's got big, smooth, long leaves, and it's more like a big shrubbery. The trunk is smooth and it's not very large. They can only be found in Ohio and the mid-Atlantic. The best time to go pick a pawpaw is mid-September, October. Pawpaws often called the hidden gem of the canal, and they're green, so sometimes they're very difficult to see amongst the leaves, so you have to look. So they are not easily found in markets because they bruise easily and they just don't travel well. So that's why it makes this adventure more enticing, and yes, the park lets you pick a half a gallon of pawpaws per day per person. Oh my God, I see it! Oh crap, I'm gonna have to go into poison ivy maybe.
We should have bought a ladder. Is that in your bag? Oh, did you get it? Did you get it?
Oh my God! Woohoo! Awesome! Our first pawpaw. Now pull, pull, pull. You got it. You got it! Oh my God! Yeah. They're massive. Oh my God! This is the mother load. The mother load. Oh my God! Good job! Oh my God! She did it!
Pawpaw Queen!
Pawpaw Queen! Success! We found our juicy pawpaw fruit. Woohoo! We're gonna do the pawpaw dance. So what better way to end our pawpaw adventure than with a pawpaw feast? Gotta have a spoon.
That's a big spoon.
Well, I was hoping for a big ass pawpaw. Okay, here we go. I'm scraping it out.
First time trying a pawpaw. What do you think?
It's got a mango texture.
What's it taste like?
I'm not sure if it's right, but yes, it tastes a lot like a mango in a sense. How many pawpaws have we consumed? Maybe 3. And each one was a little different, but it was a little disappointing because we were told that they tasted like banana custard, creamy pudding, and I don't know, I didn't get that impression. What did you think?
They were pretty good, but was it worth risking poison ivy for? I don't know.
Yeah, good point.
Thank you for joining us on our exciting adventure looking for pawpaws.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button.
Hope
to see you riding.